Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be filming this makeup look on my spring natural makeup, I guess. I mean, it's not really natural if you just pile a bunch of crap on your face. But point is that I filmed this makeup look with my hair being all fucking crazy as it is. But I tried my hardest to work with what I got. I'm trying to go a little bit more natural with my hair. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, click that notification bell so you do know when I do upload. And give this video a like if you did like it, because that will help my channel a lot. It'll let me know what type of videos you guys like to see. So without further ado, thank you for watching the video, and it'll just go on right now. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So I've already cleansed my face, so I'm gonna use moisturizer. So I'm gonna be using the Medix 5x5 Collagen Plus Caviar Age Control Moisturizer. I just got this at Marshall's not too long ago for like $6. It does okay. So I'm just gonna apply this all over my face. So the look that I'm going for today is very natural and glowy. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my primer, and the primer that I'm gonna be using is this Physicians Formula illuminating primer with age-defying actives. Yeah, so I'm using this one because obviously it's a glowy primer. That's exactly what I am looking for in this look. I'm just gonna go ahead and start off with my foundation. So the foundation I'm gonna be using, I think I'm gonna try to use all drugstore, just because that's all the stuff that I have. Okay, so before I go in with my foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and start with my eyebrows. Use my NYX Cosmetics micro brow pencil. So I'm gonna try to not overline, but like make mine a little bit more bushier. Okay, now that I have my eyebrows done, and my primer, I'm gonna go in with my foundation now. So the foundation I'll be using is my L'Oreal True Match True Super Blendable Makeup in Warm Natural Beige W4. This is my favorite one. It's so nice and dewy. So now I'm going to apply primer on my eyes before I do my concealer. So I'm going to be using my Maybelline Master Prime Long Lasting Eyeshadow Base. Not quite sure what I am going to be doing for my eyeshadow base. I think I'm just going to go with a nice rosy color, but we will see. So I'm just going to blend that with my finger. Now I'm going to be applying my concealer. So the concealer that I will be applying is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. I guess I'm using both L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Concealer. So I'm going to apply this under my eyes. This one, actually, I love this one because it's a glowy concealer, but for some reason it kind of stings my under eyes. But after I blend it out, I'm okay. I think it just has a really big scent to it. This kind of defeats the purpose of the glowiness of the concealer, but whatever. But I'm going to be putting my NYX HD finishing powder under my eyes just to set the concealer. So the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using is my Makeup Revolution Iconic Pro. This one's called the Salvation palette. So I'm going to start off with applying an all over shade, which is this one right here. It's just like a nice little cream colored one. And I'm going to apply that all over the lid. In with, wow, that would have been bad. Little peachy shade right here, and I'm gonna use it as my transition shade. So this is gonna be a really simple spring look. I'm not gonna make this too complicated. Focus more on the base rather than the eyes. I do want to give the eyes a little bit of a definition though, a little bit of color. And I'm gonna use the same brush, and I'm gonna take this warm tone brown right here. I'm gonna put that right on top of the peachy color that we just used to darken up the eyes a bit. And now I'm going to be taking a setting spray. This is the UHD Pro setting spray. And I'm going to spray it on a eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to take this rosy gold shade right here, this beautiful rose gold, and I'm going to apply that all over the lid. And then I'm just going to go ahead and take the colors that I used at the top underneath the eyes. So I'm going to be just smoking it out underneath the eyes. I'm going to apply eyeliner on the top waterline. My hardest to apply white and on my bottom lash line. So I'm going to just curl my lashes and apply mascara. Alright, so the mascara I'm going to be using is the Revlon Super Length black mascara. It says it's waterproof. But yeah, I'm just going to apply this on my eyelashes. So let's go in with the fun part, which is the contour, blush, and highlight. CoverGirl bronzer. This one is called Golden Tan. And I'm going to use my trusty dusty, the Creme Shop bronzer brush. Just looks like that. Got it at Marshall's for like $4, which was a nice little steal. My Fit Me Maybelline blush. This one does not have a name because it tear it off, as you can tell from the back. So for that, I'm going to be using my trusty dusty little AOA Studio blush brush. And I'm just going to be applying these safely on my cheekbones just to give me some color. We're going to put on I'm going to do my contour on my nose first before I go in with the highlights. So the contour stick that I'm going to be using is the NYX Wonder Stick. This one's just the light to medium, I think. Light/medium. And it just looks like that. So I'm going to apply that on my nose. So I'm going to use this little flat brush like that. And I'm going to blend it out with this little brush. Sunlight Dream highlight, and with the golden shade right here, and apply that. I'm going to apply some lip liner. This one's the Makeup Revolution London lip liner, and so I'm going to use my ColourPop What's Your Sign color from the Zodiac collection with Kathleen Lights. And I believe that's guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also click that notification bell so you do know when I do upload. And thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you did like it, and follow me on Twitter and Instagram. But anyways, if you guys like this video, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Mwah.